Number 1. The Skechers Men's Expected a Velo Relaxed Fit Slip-On Loafer. I've been putting these bad boys to the test, and I'm excited to spill the beans on whether they live up to the hype. Let's dive in. First things first, comfort is king with these Skechers. The lightly padded collar and concealed gourd insets make slipping into these like stepping onto a cloud. The real game changer, though, is the cushioned memory foam footbed. It's like walking on a plush mattress all day long. In the style department, these loafers hold their own. The embroidered logo at the vamp adds a touch of sophistication without being too flashy. The design strikes a perfect balance between casual and put together, making them versatile enough for a variety of occasions. Now, let's talk. These Skechers come in a 2E width, providing that extra room for women and wide fit for men. It's a small detail that makes a big difference. No more cramped toes or discomfort. These shoes accommodate your feet like a custom-made glove. Durability is a key factor, and I'm happy to report that the Skechers Velo doesn't disappoint. The quality construction ensures these loafers can handle the daily grind. From work to weekend adventures, they've held up impressively well, proving to be a reliable companion for the long haul. Wrapping it up, the Skechers Men's Expected a Velo loafer is a winner in my book. With a perfect blend of comfort, style, and durability, these slip-ons check all the boxes. Whether you're strolling through the park or heading to the office, these Skechers are a solid choice for any occasion. And there you have it, my take on the Skechers Men's Expected a Velo Relaxed Fit Slip-On Loafer. If you're on the lookout for a shoe that delivers on all fronts, this might just be the one for you.